Hi guys, Matt here. Hope you're doing really well. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you just can't seem to pass data to your connected app? This may help. So you may have incorrectly connected the wrong account. So what you may have done, so you've got a webhook, you've had it connected, you're having got all the data coming through. That's beautiful. But when you go to your account and say Encharge, the data is not there. So this is a simple thing to check. Easily missed. This could save you a lot of time. So just make sure first and foremost you don't have multiple instances. So if you go to Encharge, you may be logged into the wrong account. So you might have multiple accounts. Move this one down here. So currently logged into this one here, but that may not be the one you're after. So let's fix that. So you'll need to make a new connection. So in this case here, we'll go to type in what it is, Encharge. And here's another thing. So this is going to come up with an issue that we're going to work through. So you add the connection. Okay, so saying allow to access. So this is the wrong account. So I don't want it to access this one. So we'll do cancel. So how do you fix that? So if your app that you're trying to connect to isn't open, by default it will just be the default one in the system. So in this case it's this one, but what we'll do to fix that, remedy that, we're going to go to Encharge. Just make sure we're connected into the right account. So actually want this one, build with K. So now we're definitely logged in, and now we're going to go back to here. So let's go, let's copy that, cancel, add. So when you, as soon as you click on continue, it will open up the correct account. So click on continue, wait for it. So here we go, this is the account we want to do. So that's how you fix that issue. So allow. And you'll notice up here it's now connected to the new connection. So there you go. So first and foremost, if your data isn't going into the right application, just make sure you connect to the right app connection. So you can always go, if you want to double check your connections, you can actually click over here on connections, go left. We might save that, always good practice. Go save, ignore that. Go connections. Move that up there. So here we are in the connections. So just to make it easy for you to identify, we've actually got two connections here, which is great. That's what we want. So to get to that, you click on connections again and just double check you have the right connection of that application. So hopefully that was of assistance. Such a easy thing to overlook, but this could save you a lot of time in frustration. Anyway guys, comments and feedback welcome. Let me know if that's helpful as well. Good on you, bye for now. Matt K, Build with K, cheers.